Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a CX5. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This isn't absolutely necessary, but I think it's helpful. So on this back side where the Mazda logo isn't, take this little clip, pull it towards you, and slide that this way. Now take your mechanical key, and in this corner right here, there's a little tab. Press that in, and this back half will come out. Okay, now is where I'm going to use a small screwdriver. If you have nails, you can probably get under there, but for me, small screwdriver is more helpful. Is helpful. Take that out, kind of hinges right here, and then I'm going to put my screwdriver right here. Pop out the dead battery. New battery goes in positive side facing up. Put this, make sure that seats right there. Squeeze that in. And this side has the Mazda symbol on it. So just line that up. Replace your mechanical key. Then this kind of slides in. Line up these three hatches. And you're all set. Back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.